everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Nida Yusuf. Please do subscribe to my channel, like and share it with your friends. So today I'll be talking about one of the most highly requested video on my channel, and that is about chemical exfoliators, and this is the product I'll be talking. This is from Dot and Key, and this is the serum with 10% AHA and 2% BHA. This is an exfoliating serum. So without any further ado, let's dive into our today's video. So this is the Hydro Peel Glow Potion. It basically works on your skin texture, and it will try to improve your skin texture, the bumps you have on your skin, the acne marks you have on your skin. So this is eventually made for that. And if you want to know in detail what is chemical exfoliators, how does AHA and BHA works on your skincare and everything, so please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll make a separate video for that because I don't want to make this video very boring. So I just kept it short. So I'll just review this product. If you want to know about the chemical process, then you tell me. No big deal. I'll make a separate video for that. And it is a cardboard packaging. They have this magnetic switch here, like you can store the product inside. I always keep the product inside only, so it is safe from direct sunlight and everything, and it is hassle free. Coming to the ingredients of this serum contains all natural fruit acids like pineapple, green apple and grapefruit, which is very good for your skin texture. And I really like the ingredients which is there and the content of the serum. They have listed them all here behind the box, so you can go through it. I have went through all of them and I didn't find anything that high chemical which can damage your skin or anything. They are all good ingredients, so I really like the ingredients as well. This is the plastic packaging of the serum, and you have a dropper at the head. This is a very travel friendly packaging, and I really like it. Is a very good plastic. You cannot just press it or anything. It is a hard plastic, so it is sustainable as well. Many chemical exfoliators are very expensive in the market, but this one, as you can see, I have gone through 1/4 of the product and I have used it a very little amount. You need a very, very, very little amount, that is 2 to 3 drops of product for your whole application on your skin, and it goes for a long run in a long stretch of 6 to 8 months. So once you buy it, you can use it for 6 to 8 months easily. Now I'll show you guys the consistency of the product. So this is the dropper here. This is almost 2 drops of the product, and it is not runny at all. It is very thick, and this much application is like you can spread it out so well. This much amount of serum is enough for your whole face. So now let's talk about how to use this product. This product, you just need 2 drops of the product like I showed you now, and you have to just apply it all over your face, nicely spread it out with your fingers all over your face and keep it for 10 minutes. You cannot keep this product more than 10 minutes as it can cause serious damage on your skin because it's a chemical exfoliator. So don't keep it more than 10 minutes. Just keep it for 10 minutes and then rinse it off with the cold water. Don't use warm water. Cold water is more beneficial. You can even use tap water, but I would highly recommend you to use a fridge bottle or a cold water, so you get more glow and nice texture on your skin. Now if you're using this product in the daytime, you have to keep this in mind that you have to follow it up with a sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important after using this product. Once you rinse off the serum and you pat dry your face, you have to follow it up with a sunscreen. Do not use this product after epilating, bleaching, or raising or shaving your skin, because at that point of time your skin is very sensitive and using chemical exfoliators won't be a good idea at all. Now let's talk what I really liked about this product. This product is going to add really nice glow on your skin. After using of this product, you will highly notice that this product is adding glow on your face. It will improve your texture, it will work on the tiny bumps that you have on your skin and make your skin very smooth. This product will even help you to remove out all the blemishes from your mouth area and even the tiny acne spots which are left behind after the acne. So it even reduces all of that. I am really loving this product. There is nothing, no cons about this product that I should be talking in this video. I really, really like to give a very, very high thumbs up to this product. I am in love with this product and I am going to use it till the end of the bottle and even might purchase a new one. If you are really good with your skincare routine and everything, this product will even help you to work on your blackheads and even on your, bumpy skin, and it will remove out your blackheads very easily. I have noticed that my blackheads is reduced like hell after using this product. So if you're consistent with your skincare routine and this chemical exfoliator, I can you assure you that you will see a very nice difference in your skin. So guys, this is it for my review for this product today. Thank you so much for watching. I really like this product and I think you should purchase this product. If you are looking for a good chemical exfoliator, you should go with this Dot and Key serum. I am really loving it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.